Recorded a Loom video but need to clean it up before sharing. Loom includes editing tools that can help you trim mistakes, improve presentation quality, and create a more polished final video. In this guide, I'll show you how to edit Loom videos in 2026. First, sign in to your Loom account and navigate to your video library. Locate the recording you'd like to edit and open its video page. On the video page, look for the Edit option. Loom's editing features may vary depending on your plan and the tools currently available. Use the Trim tool to remove unnecessary sections from the beginning, middle, or end of your recording. This is perfect for cutting out pauses, mistakes, or setup time. Review your recording carefully and identify any areas that need to be removed. Editing out small errors can make your video feel much more professional. While editing, update the title and description if needed. Clear labeling helps viewers understand what your video covers. Before saving, watch the edited version from start to finish. This helps you catch any issues before sharing the final recording. Once you're satisfied with the results, save your edits and share the updated video using Loom's sharing options. And that's how to edit Loom videos in 2026. With a few quick adjustments, you can remove mistakes, improve clarity, and create more professional recordings. So take a few minutes to polish your videos before sharing them with your audience. Thanks for watching.